What's up, everybody? Welcome to my tutorial on the 5th floor of the beginning trials on master mode. So this floor I always use archery, like over and over and over again. You want to get the attention of that moblin, but you don't want to get the attention of everyone else. And this is going to take a little bit of practice because you want to hit him in the head over and over and over again. And obviously I'm not perfect, I'm going to miss, but if you get him in the head like that, then he takes a bunch of damage. But you want to get away from him because he will hit you with that spear and it will wreck you, right? And there we go, we got him. Oh, no we didn't. There we go, now we got him. Alright, so we're going to kill that one moblin, okay? And I always use arrows to do that, so it's really important that you pick up all of the arrows and the 2 spiked bokobos that we got on the previous level. We're going to go up here and just go to the top of this platform. Sometimes you can use a strategy where you distract those guys like that and they come around and then you reorganize the crates, but I wouldn't really worry about that too much. What we want to make sure that we do is just kill this moblin here, alright? So we're just going to get his attention, shoot him in the back. He's going to come towards us. I'm wasting arrows, obviously, just because, you know, I'm not a perfect archer and I'm sure you aren't either. Maybe you are, but if you are, you probably aren't watching this video. It's really not that bad, right? You just want to keep going. It's okay if we use up our spiked bokobo here, and we got him. Alright, so now that we've taken care of these 2 moblins, now what we're going to do is kill these guys. But what's important here, this level determines how hard the rest of the beginning trials is, because this is the level where you get the strongest weapon in the beginning trials. And you see that right there? That weapon is the strongest weapon. It is a bone boko club or dragon bone boko club, something like that, and it does like 30 something damage, which is way stronger than the other weapons here. So what you want to do is shoot this down so you can blow everything up, but don't get too close because you'll get hurt, right? And then you just run over and grab all 3 of these before they burn, okay? And at that point, these 2 enemies are probably still going to be alive, so you want to spin. Spinning attacks are critical because they stun your enemies and make it much, much, much easier to get through this and get some of the great weapons available in this round without taking too much damage. Alright, so now that we've done that, I hope you guys enjoyed. The critical part here, again, is getting this weapon. You see that? The spiked moblin club. This is going to help you a lot in the Lizzle rounds, which are the really tricky rounds. And really, it's only one of the Lizzle rounds that's tricky. The rest aren't that bad. Alright, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in another episode. Ciao!